Horux Black Icon Pack is a sophisticated Android application designed to enhance the visual appeal of devices through a collection of stylish, dark-themed icons. Tailored for users who appreciate minimalism and elegance, this icon pack offers a unique aesthetic that complements various home screen setups and themes. Typically, Horux Black Icon Pack features a diverse range of high-resolution icons that cover numerous applications, providing a cohesive look across the device. The pack often includes support for popular launchers, making it easy for users to apply the icons and customize their interface effortlessly. In addition to its extensive icon library, the application may offer features like icon masking for unthemed apps, dynamic calendar icons, and frequent updates to expand the icon collection. With its chic black design and attention to detail, Horux Black Icon Pack is an excellent choice for users seeking to create a sleek, modern, and visually appealing Android experience.